Open the Brave browser and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Select Settings. Now click on Bookmarks. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. Select Export Bookmarks. Choose where you want to save the exported bookmarks. I'll save it on the desktop. And now you have successfully made a backup of your bookmarks. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.